Now we try to learn the concept of absolute humidity or humidity ratio. So the question is, what is absolute humidity or humidity ratio? First, absolute humidity is the water vapor content of air. uh, so basically the total amount of water vapors present in the specific volume of dry air is known as absolute humidity ratio. Let's suppose you have a specific volume of air. From that volume you can separate the content of water and separate the volume of air. So the ratio between volume of um, volume of water vapors or in kg and divided by the volume of dry air is basically the humidity ratio. So these are given in grams or pound of water vapor, so we can measure water vapor in pound or grams, divided by pound of dry air and the volume of dry air. So this is basically humidity ratio. So on psychometric chart, these horizontal lines show the humidity ratio. So next we measure the concept of dew point temperature. So the temperature at which moisture start to condense out of the air is known as dew point. So dew point is a specific temperature in which water vapor present in air start condensing. So the condensing point is basically dew point temperature. Dew point is also known as saturation temperature. So here you see these green horizontal lines show the dew point temperature. So next we have property is specific volume of air. Specific volume is the volume that certain weight of air occupy at the specific set of condition. Specific volume is basically the inverse of density. So it is basically a weight of air occupied at specific set or condition. So here you see these lines show the specific volume of air.